Stop scrolling. Your Mazda 6 seats are getting damaged every single day, and most owners don't even realize it. Choosing the best seat covers for Mazda 6 isn't just about looks. It's about protection, comfort, and resale value. Which ones actually fit? Which fail fast? Stay with me. This might save your interior. Let's start. Number 5. UO Hakel Mazda 6 seat covers instantly upgrade your drive with a luxury custom-fit design made specifically for Mazda 6 models from 2010 to 2021. Crafted from premium waterproof Nappa-style leather with breathable padding and built-in lumbar support, they protect against spills, pets, UV damage, and daily wear. Airbag safe, anti-slip, and easy to install, these full-set covers deliver comfort, durability, and a bold black and red interior upgrade Mazda owners will love. Number 4. ITAO Premium Car Seat Covers instantly upgrade your Mazda 6, 2010 to 2021, with a luxury, factory-style fit. This full 5-seat set uses waterproof, breathable faux leather with high-density sponge for all-day comfort and protection. 3D modeled for a custom fit, it's airbag compatible, UV resistant, and easy to clean. Pros: premium look, safety ready design, durable build. Benefit: protect your original seats while transforming your Mazda 6 interior. Clean, sporty, and refined. Number 3. Disu Togo Custom Seat Covers for Mazda 6, 2010 to 2021. Instantly upgrade your interior with a bold black and red line leather look. Precision fit for all 5 seats. These waterproof faux leather covers resist stains, wipe clean fast, and feel premium. Built-in 3D lumbar support with memory foam reduces fatigue on long drives, while airbag-compatible stitching keeps safety intact. Anti-slip backing locks everything in place. Easy install. Serious comfort. Real protection for your Mazda 6. Number 2. Jiamao Xin Car Seat Covers for Mazda 6, 2010 to 2021. Instantly upgrade your interior with a factory-fit premium look. Designed specifically for Mazda 6, this 5-seat full set uses 5-layer waterproof faux leather that resists spills, pet hair, and daily wear. Airbag-safe stitching, flame-retardant material, storage pockets, and easy installation make it practical. Pros: perfect fit, durable, stylish. Benefit: protect resale value while driving in comfort and confidence. Number 1. Massey's Car Seat Covers for Mazda 6, 2003 to 2021. Instantly upgrade your interior with a luxury, factory-fit look. Crafted from waterproof Nappa leather, these custom-fit covers protect against spills, stains, and daily wear while staying breathable and anti-slip. Airbag compatible, seatbelt safe, and easy to install, they deliver comfort, durability, and premium style, perfect for Mazda 6 owners who want long-term protection without sacrificing safety or elegance. Link in the description to check today.